It takes roughly 8 hours to assemble the necessary hardware for a Rush concert. Standard equipment includes 56 speakers, 12 banks of radial and high-end horns, 35 microphones, a 16-channel monitor mixer, and 32-channel mixing console. Just to clarify for those of you that may not know, when you have these two mixers, you have the main mixer that's sitting out. You've all seen that at concerts before. It's kind of sitting out in the middle of the arena, and there's where the main sound guy is mixing the sound that the audience hears. The 16-channel monitor mixer, normally there's a guy sitting on the side of the stage that's managing the monitors. And so if Geddy Lee, for example, needs to hear more of Alex's guitar, that's what that mixer's doing. And he's got those wedges, those speakers are down to the ground. These days people use in-ear, but there's the same thing. There's a guy sitting over there, and then you'll often see musicians kind of pointing over to the side and going like this, like that, saying basically turn him up. And because each of the musicians has their own mix, and it's run by a totally separate sound mixer on the side of the stage. Anyway, that's the two things they're talking about there. Okay. The band, with its own monitors, what I was just talking about there, plays in the middle of a direct field of sound. The light show is the penultimate in theatrical rock. More than 150 lamps are regularly used, including several aircraft landing lights. The entire light system is controlled from a 60-channel master board. Other incidentals are the dry ice machines, the flash pots, and enough instrumental equipment to supply a small orchestra. Rush is hooked on the concept of visual embellishment, and the mechanical process is continually refined for superior effect. So complex is the procedure that the band requires full-time help from 3 roadies to keep their instruments in tune.